Welcome to my evening routine. While a morning routine can certainly help you get going and fueled for the day, an evening routine is likely more important. The decisions you make in the evening will affect your next day in the morning. I've noticed once I started to take my evening routine more serious, I actually felt more energized and more clear-minded throughout the next day. I finish up work around 6 p.m. I am currently finalizing my new lease because I'm getting a new office. Today's been such a big milestone and a big step for me, and I'm so excited and I cannot wait to show you. So I'm getting the final paperwork done and then I close my laptop. First thing I do of the day is take Katsu for a nice walk outside. This is honestly not just for him, but I also like to go outside and clear my mind and get some fresh air after being mostly inside all day. I drive him over to the park where we play for about 30 minutes. Then I get home and I change into some comfy clothing and it's time to cook some dinner. Throughout the week, I make sure my recipes are quick and easy to make. I want everything to feel convenient while still nutritious. I found some tuna in my fridge, so I opened up my phone to pull out a recipe from the Soulsing Body app. As I mentioned in my previous What I Eat in a Day, I'm trying to build more muscle, so I like to see the amount of protein of my dinner that is going to give me because I'm trying to have 100 grams or more. Today we're making a tuna poke bowl, and I cannot repeat how easy this is to make. I grab all the ingredients out of my fridge and I fill up a pan with some water and heat it on the stove. Then I'm adding the sashimi grade tuna into a bowl and add a marinade of soy sauce, rice vinegar, ginger, maple syrup, and top it and set it aside. I always have frozen edamame in my freezer. It's just so convenient and a great source of protein to have on hand. It also only takes 5 minutes to cook. In the meantime, I peel some avocados and my dinner is ready to be assembled. The rice I have on hand is always so many questions about my rice cooker. I can't even pronounce it. I'm gonna pop it off here, but I love it. I add a big scoop of rice to my bowl. I add the tuna, edamame, avocado, and I bought some sauerkraut on the farmer's market last week. I love adding fermented foods to my dishes because it supports my gut health. I top it up with some seaweed and some sesame seeds, and there you go. It's done. I'm having dinner with a friend over FaceTime. It is such a great way to spend time together if you don't live close by. And my dinner is really delicious. Then my least favorite part of the evening, the cleaning. This is one of those things that in the moment, I don't feel like doing it, but once it's done, and especially the next morning, it gives me such a good feeling. Waking up in a clean and tidy space has been such a game changer for my whole morning mood. I feel so much more relaxed going into my day when everything is just kind of like organized and clean. I set the vibe with my candle. It always relaxes me a lot. Then I also make a quick little snack/dessert with some Greek yogurt, some honey, and some puffed quinoa. And it's really good. Then I go upstairs and shower. Today is hair wash day. I've been using the same shampoo forever and it works really well for my hair. I use the whole blends from Garnier shampoo, and then for conditioner I use this one. Even though I have super fine hair, it's sometimes hard to find a conditioner that actually gets rid of all the knots. Then for my face cleanser, I use this from LSF Skin. I've been using it for quite a long time now and it works amazing. It takes up all the dirt and also my makeup and has such a smooth and gentle base. It is really, really nice. Then I get out of the shower and it's time for my skincare routine, my favorite part of the day. First, I start with spritzing some Akasha probiotic face mist to add a little mist to my face. Then I add my vitamin C serum from LSF Skin. This works amazing for my dark pigmentation on my skin and I always use this at night. Followed by a hyaluronic serum and a moisturizer. I use a few lymphatic massage techniques to sculpt my face and have like blood flow going. And I can also not forget the body lotion. I use this every night after the shower. Then I brush my hair and I am ready for the night. I go downstairs and I make my Beam sleep tea. I'm a girl that needs a lot of sleep, but I was having quite some trouble with my sleep because even though I was sleeping 8 to 9 hours, I would wake up feeling so tired and so drowsy and I did not understand what was going on. So I got an Oura ring to start tracking my daily activity and sleep. Every person has 4 sleep stages throughout the night. Through the data, my app, I discovered I wasn't getting enough REM sleep. For anyone who doesn't know, REM sleep plays an important role in re-energizing your mind and body. So even I was sleeping enough hours, I wasn't getting into the REM sleep stage. Around that time, my friend Helen Owen launched a collaboration with Beam, a nighttime blend that helps improve your sleep. She sends me a package to try, and literally the next day I tried it, I texted her that for the very first time I hit my REM sleep. You can see here in all the data that the previous days where my REM sleep was red and deficient, and the day after I had my first Beam nighttime tea, I actually woke up before my alarm and I hit my REM sleep. It was honestly the first sleep blend or supplement that actually worked for me. Beam contains ingredients like melatonin, magnesium, L-theanine, and reishi mushrooms. It comes in so many different flavors like hot cocoa, chocolate peanut butter, ginger turmeric, and sea salt caramel. It doesn't have any sugars, which I think is a really big bonus. Beam gave me and my community a special promo. If you use code Sanne at checkout and subscribe, you will get 20% off plus an additional 15 and a free frother. You can pause, skip, or cancel at any time. I will link it down below. You should definitely check it out if you have trouble falling asleep, sleeping through the night, or just not feeling rested after your sleep. So now I am kind of comforted. I bring my tea upstairs and I'm just gonna crawl in bed and watch something. I turn off my phone because I don't want to get any messages, and then I'm going to watch some Love Island. Absolutely love that show. I know some people say it's not good to watch TV or electronics or screens right before to go to bed, but I'm honestly the opposite. I really enjoy watching something or like put some TV on just to turn off my brain and really get me into like this realization mode. This is something what has really helped for me and might not help for you, but for me it felt really good. After 30 minutes, I brush my teeth and I pick out a workout outfit for the next morning. All these small little habits in the evening will show how your mornings look like. This way, I am more likely to immediately work out in the morning because I did not have to make that choice in the morning of what to wear, what to find, and then if I was going. So then it's time for bed. I hope you enjoyed this evening routine and I hope this can give some inspiration to you. Please let me know in the comments down below what other insights you would like to see of my daily routines or other things. I love you guys and good night.